In front of me is REALME GT7 and today I would like to show you how you can change or customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now you can pick any of those themes, click on it, manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. To customize it though, go back to the same settings, just over here, tap on plus icon under my themes. Now click on your new keyboard's background, pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and tap on next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right, hit done, manage keyboarders, and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!